Hi guys, good morning. Today, I'm having a slow and peaceful Sunday morning alone in my dorm. Let's enjoy this cozy day together. Good morning guys. It's Sunday in the morning. It's February 23, I guess. So, samahan niyo ako guys sa ating vlog or mini vlog for today's video. I'm going to vlog how I'm going to do here in dorm alone. So, yep. So, ayun guys. Tingnan natin kung ano yung sa class. I don't see any lights in there. So, babalik lang natin yung harang. Kasi we have no lock na in the gate. Kasi nasira yung padlock namin na lost thread. Basta yun guys. So okay, we're gonna wash our rice because I'm gonna cook rice. Starting my morning by cooking rice. Nothing fancy, just a simple and quiet start to the day. Okay guys, I'm gonna explain myself there why I am sobrang layo habang nagluluto. Fried egg lang naman yung niluluto ko dyan. Kasi nga, guys, sana matindahan nyo ako. Ang sakit kasi ng mantika if tumalsik sa skin mo. Sobrang, hindi naman literally super sakit, pero mararamdaman mo siya as in. So, ayun. So, again, hi guys. While I'm waiting to cook my rice, we'll go to mag-devotion muna tayo. This is my, what do you call that? This is my routine every day. Like, when I wake up in the morning, I will write and reflect to the word of God that I'm gonna read. I share my devotion, not literally my devotion, but the verse that I receive from God. So, it's Genesis 31 to 33. 31? Yeah, 31 to 33. Okay. Why 31 to 33? I read Bible every day. I read 3 chapters, so that's why 31 to 33. But I received Genesis 32, 6 to 12. If you guys friend tayo sa FB, you will see my story, and there's a Bible that I shared, and Jacob is really good when it comes in prayer. You know what? My verse is so haba. I mean, the Lord speak to me. It's so nice. I think I'm blessed when I receive it. So, ayun guys, while waiting sa aking sinaing, and before I eat, I'm going to devotion first. So, ayun, see you. I'm done sa devotion, and it reminds me that I need to be faithful and seek His guidance and trust His plans for me. I like keeping my dorm clean. It makes me feel more relaxed and ready for the day. Tapos na ako sa mga gawain and I need to eat kasi I wanna prepare early sa church, pagpunta sa church. So, ayan, pinakita ko naman yung breakfast ko. So, ayan, samahan niyo ko kumain. Being alone is so hard. Yung mapapalayo ka sa pamilya mo, yung ikaw lang mag-isa. Because dadating ka naman talaga dyan kasi mag-work ka na. Pero when you are studying, kapag nag-study ka pa, syempre nasa pamilya ka pa, di ba? And I realize now that being alone is so hard. Being far away from your parents, it's so hard. Yung malayo yung pamilya mo sa'yo. Kasi they always around in you when you're in the house. Diba? Kapag nandiyan sila sa bahay nyo, you always, Mom, Dad, Pa, Ma. You always said that to them. When you need something that your parents can do na hindi mo kayang gawin, you always call them. And I realized that, yeah, in the dorm, alone, oh my God, kaya natin to. For that, I learned that you need to overcome your fear. You need to overcome your, what do you call that? Yung, bukod sa takot, you need to overcome your weakness. Yun, weakness, dapat malakas ka, di ba? Kahit alam mong di mo kaya, kayanin mo kasi you need it. You need it. Ako nga dito. I also share, this is my second time na mag-dorm. Nung una kasi sa Crossing Mendez, sa may Tagaytay. Then, dito, napunta na ako sa 13. If you know guys, around in Cavite lang naman. Then, I work doon sa Tagaytay, kaya doon ako. Pero sa Tagaytay talaga ako nakatira. Mas malapit lang yung work ko sa Crossing, kaya doon ako nag-dorm. And dito naman, malapit din yung work ko dito, kaya dito ako nag-dorm. Ang hirap! Kakasabi ko lang i-overcome. But ayun, you need to overcome, guys. Being alone is hard, but you need to be an independent woman. You need to be an independent. Para kapag kunyari, for example, if your parents is, wag naman sana, but if your parents is not around with you na, like, panghabang buhay, na wala na yung mga pamilya mo, ikaw na lang mag-isa, kaya mo, you can do it by yourself. Like, kahit ano pa yan, you can do it by yourself. Kasi, natuto ka na you learn something from being alone. So, kaya ako, nagbablog. Hindi, ayun. So, ayun. Yun lang naman. So, kakain na muna ako. Tatapusin ko muna to. Then, magagayak na ako papunta church. So, see you! So, ayun guys. Kakatapos ko lang maligo. And, yeah. I'm going to prepare myself. Not to prepare, kasi hindi naman ako masyadong nag-makeup. So, ayun. Mag-brush lang tayo ng hair. And, yeah. This is my outfit. Guys, I'm going to church ha. Saka hindi naman siya masyadong diba? So, ayun. I'm gonna show you later my full outfit. And yeah. See you mamaya. Because I'm going to brush my hair first, and I'm going to, put some, not makeup, but I'm gonna put my lipstick, not lipstick, lip balm, lip tint, basta yun na yan. Nag-spray na ako. Parang niligo ko lang yung yung pabango be. Oh, diba? Anong spray yun? Na-count yun ba? Then, this is my lip tint. I always wear this. This is Into It. Yan. I bought it on Walter Mart department store in Tagaytay. Guess what? How much does it cost? Mura lang. Uy, mura lang. Joke lang. That's it. Ayun lang naman yung ginagawa ko everyday. When I go to work, when I go to church, and when I go to the outside. Lip tint lang. Into It. Into It, guys. Super duper recommendable if you guys bought lip tint in shop. Guys, Into It na kayo. Oh, 8 hours wear. That's why I'm gonna use it always when I go outside. Yeah. Diba? Hindi siya super red. But guys, you can choose any color of it kasi meron naman yung mga kulay. So, ayun. Kinus ko to. And kasi parang siyang natural, lang talaga, natural lips lang. Like, parang hindi ka naglagay. Parang natural pa lang na lips, diba? So, ayun. Machi. This is my outfit. Look. Oh, wow. It's so nice. This is my flag. Parang magagala. Actually, this is my outfit sa Tagaytay when I go out. Diba? But I have no masuot. That's why I'm gonna wear it on Sunday. Bye! Thank you guys for watching and hope you enjoy my cozy Sunday morning. Well, cozy. Basta yun, guys. Don't forget to like and share and comment below if you guys want more vlog from me. So, ayun, bye! Thank you for watching!
Mas mahal siya Jollibee.
Oo, Jollibee.
Live dito, live?
Yan, live pa! Video lang yan. Kasi ano? Sa kabila. Ayun, guys. We're going to SM.
Guys, STC, papunta ng Isim. Magsa-swimming siya doon.
Swimming ka, wait.
Hoy!
AC dito!